Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of rice. This humble grain, a staple for billions, has a story more intricate than you might imagine. From its ancient origins to its surprising scientific applications, rice has woven itself into the very fabric of our existence. Join me as we explore 10 weird and wonderful facts about one of the most common foods on the planet. Our journey into the world of rice begins with its origins, stretching back millennia to the dawn of agriculture. The earliest evidence of rice cultivation takes us to the fertile plains of China, some 8,000 years ago. Picture those early farmers, carefully tending their paddies, harnessing nature to cultivate this life-giving grain. From these beginnings, rice spread across Asia, its cultivation techniques passed down through generations. It reached the Indian subcontinent, flourishing in the monsoon climate, becoming a cornerstone of their culinary traditions. As trade routes flourished, so did the reach of rice, making its way to Africa and the Mediterranean. Over centuries, countless varieties have been developed, each adapted to specific environments and culinary traditions. In the mosaic of rice varieties, there exists one so unique, so visually striking, that it's earned the moniker forbidden rice. This is black rice, a variety once reserved for the emperors of ancient China, prized for its rich, nutty flavor and stunning appearance. Uncooked, black rice grains appear almost black, but when cooked, they transform, releasing a deep purple hue. This captivating color signifies potent antioxidants known as anthocyanins. Anthocyanins, found abundantly in black rice, are pigments that lend vibrant colors to fruits and vegetables like blueberries and eggplants. Black rice is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting more protein, fiber, and iron than its white counterpart. Its unique flavor profile, often described as nutty and slightly sweet, adds a touch of elegance to both sweet and savory dishes. Imagine a world where rice, not gold or silver, served as the primary currency, a testament to its importance in sustaining life. In ancient Japan, this was not just a hypothetical scenario, but a reality that shaped the very fabric of society. This was the reality in ancient Japan, where rice held immense value, becoming a symbol of wealth and power. It was more than just food. It was a cornerstone of the economy and a measure of one's social standing. The koku, a unit of measurement equivalent to the amount of rice needed to feed one person for a year, became the standard for assessing wealth and taxes. This unit was so integral that it influenced land distribution and agricultural policies. Samurais, the warrior class of Japan, received their salaries in rice, their stipends measured in koku. This system ensured that the samurai were directly tied to the agricultural productivity of the land. This rice-based economy shaped Japanese society, fostering a deep respect for the land and the farmers who cultivated this precious grain. Farmers were seen as the backbone of the nation, their work essential for the sustenance of all. It also led to the development of sophisticated systems for storing, transporting, and trading rice. These systems were crucial for maintaining the stability and efficiency of the rice economy. While the days of rice as currency may be long gone, the reverence for this life-giving grain endures in Japanese culture. Today, rice remains a staple in Japanese cuisine and a symbol of cultural heritage, reflecting its historical significance. The use of rice in construction might seem unlikely, yet history reveals its surprising role as a building material. During China's Ming Dynasty, a remarkable architectural innovation emerged, harnessing the binding power of rice to create structures of incredible strength. Sticky rice, known for its glutinous texture, became a key ingredient in a special type of mortar. When combined with lime and water, this mixture transformed into a remarkably strong adhesive. This rice mortar proved to be an engineering marvel, withstanding the ravages of time, wind, and even earthquakes. The Great Wall of China incorporates this very rice mortar in its construction. Sections of the wall, built during the Ming Dynasty, stand as a testament to the ingenuity of ancient builders. Our exploration of rice takes an unexpected turn into the realm of science fiction, where we encounter a variety that seems to defy nature itself, glow-in-the-dark rice. This isn't the stuff of fantasy novels, it's a real scientific breakthrough achieved through genetic engineering. Scientists introduced a gene from a specific species of jellyfish into rice plants, bestowing the rice with the ability to emit light. This innovation serves a practical purpose, tracking the movement of nutrients within the plant. The glow provides invaluable insights into plant growth and development. This research holds the potential to revolutionize agriculture, allowing scientists to develop rice varieties that are more resistant to disease, require less water, and produce higher yields. While you won't find this glowing rice on your dinner plate anytime soon, it represents a beacon of hope for future food security. In the world of haute cuisine, there exists a rice so rare, so meticulously cultivated, that it commands a price tag that would make even the most discerning foodie raise an eyebrow. This is Japanese koshihikari rice, a variety so prized for its flavor, texture, and aroma that it's earned the moniker the king of rice. Grown in the fertile fields of Japan's Niigata prefecture, koshihikari rice benefits from ideal growing conditions. Farmers employ traditional, labor-intensive methods, from hand-planting the seedlings to carefully controlling the water levels in the paddies. The milling process is equally meticulous, with each grain polished to perfection. The result is a rice of unparalleled quality, boasting a delicate sweetness, a soft, fluffy texture, and an aroma that evokes the essence of the Japanese countryside. We've all been there. That heart-stopping moment when your phone takes an unexpected plunge into water. Desperation sets in as you frantically search for a solution, hoping to salvage your precious device. In this digital age, a soaked phone can feel like a minor catastrophe. But fear not, for there may be a simple solution lurking in your pantry: rice. This humble grain possesses an uncanny ability to absorb moisture, making it a surprisingly effective tool in drying out electronics. When a wet phone is submerged in a container of rice, the dry rice grains work tirelessly to absorb the water. While this method is not foolproof, countless anecdotes attest to its effectiveness in reviving waterlogged phones. Our journey into the world of rice takes an unexpected turn into the realm of forensic science, where this unassuming grain plays a surprising role in cracking criminal cases. While rice might not be the first thing that comes to mind when picturing a crime scene investigation, it holds a hidden talent for revealing crucial evidence. This grain, often associated with food and agriculture, has found a unique place in the toolkit of forensic experts. Fingerprints, those unique identifiers that distinguish each individual, can be notoriously difficult to detect on certain surfaces. Traditional methods sometimes fall short, especially on porous or textured materials. That's where rice comes in, or rather specially formulated rice-based powders, which have been developed through extensive research and innovation. These powders, meticulously engineered to adhere to fingerprint residues when dusted onto surfaces at a crime scene, cling to the faintest traces of sweat, oil, and other substances left behind by human touch. Under UV light, these rice powder-coated fingerprints glow, making them visible to the naked eye, revealing intricate patterns that can be analyzed and matched to potential suspects. This glowing effect is crucial for capturing detailed fingerprint images. This innovative use of rice in forensic science highlights the ingenuity of investigators in their constant quest for new and improved methods of crime solving. By leveraging the unique properties of rice, forensic scientists are able to uncover evidence that might otherwise remain hidden, thus bringing criminals to justice and ensuring the safety of our communities. The 2011 Fukushima nuclear disaster in Japan raised concerns about the long-term environmental and health impacts of radiation exposure. Among the many challenges faced in the aftermath was the potential contamination of food sources, including rice, a staple of the Japanese diet. Rice paddies, with their shallow water levels and proximity to the ground, proved particularly susceptible to absorbing radioactive isotopes. The Japanese government implemented stringent safety measures, including extensive testing of rice crops for radiation levels. Fields exceeding safe limits were quarantined, preventing contaminated rice from reaching consumers. Our exploration of rice concludes with a cautionary tale, a reminder that even the most seemingly innocuous substances can harbor hidden dangers. While rice is a staple food for billions of people around the world, its processing can pose significant risks that are often overlooked. Rice, a staple in kitchens worldwide, possesses an unexpected explosive potential, a hazard particularly relevant in rice processing facilities. These facilities handle vast quantities of rice, and the processes involved can create conditions ripe for disaster if not properly managed. As rice is milled and processed, it generates a fine dust composed of tiny particles of rice husk and starch. This dust is not just a byproduct, it is a potential threat that needs to be carefully controlled. This seemingly harmless dust, when suspended in the air in sufficient concentrations, can create a highly combustible environment. The fine particles can easily become airborne, creating a cloud of dust that is highly flammable. When an ignition source, such as a spark or flame, is introduced into this dust-laden air, it can trigger a rapid combustion, resulting in a powerful explosion. Such explosions can occur with little warning and can be devastating. The force of such explosions can be devastating, causing significant damage to property and posing serious risks to worker safety. The aftermath often involves extensive damage and can lead to prolonged shutdowns of the facility. To mitigate this risk, rice processing facilities adhere to strict safety protocols, including dust control measures, proper ventilation, and the elimination of potential ignition sources. These measures are crucial in ensuring the safety of workers and the integrity of the facility. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning these weird facts about rice, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.